Picture this. You're enjoying your favorite coffee on a bright sunny day when suddenly, bam! Your car breaks down. Or maybe, you're chilling at home when out of nowhere, you find yourself facing an unexpected medical bill. That's when you wish you had an emergency fund like a financial superhero. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll show you how to set up your emergency fund, so you can save the day in your wallet. So, what exactly is an emergency fund? It's a stash of money you set aside for those unexpected life events like job loss, car repairs, or medical expenses. It's your financial safety net that helps you get through tough times without going into debt or relying on others. Now you might be thinking, why do I need an emergency fund? Well, young grasshopper, life can throw you some curveballs. Having an emergency fund can reduce stress. You'll sleep better knowing you have a financial cushion. Keep you out of debt. You won't need to borrow from friends or max out your credit card. Protect your long-term financial goals. You won't need to dip into your savings or retirement accounts. The big question is, how much should you save in your emergency fund? A good rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This includes rent, groceries, utilities, and other essential expenses. To get a clearer idea of your monthly expenses, track your spending for a couple of months, and use the average as your baseline. Ready to start saving? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set up your emergency fund. Step 1. Set a goal. Determine how much you want to save in your emergency fund based on your expenses. Remember, 3 to 6 months worth is a good starting point. Step 2. Choose a separate account. Open a separate savings account for your emergency fund. This keeps your emergency money separate from your day-to-day spending. Step 3. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund. This way, you'll save money without even thinking about it. Now, let's talk about ways to turbocharge your emergency fund growth. Tip 1. Cut back on non-essential expenses. Identify areas in your budget where you can trim spending. Can you cut back on takeout, subscription services, or entertainment expenses? Tip 2. Side hustles. Consider taking on a side gig or freelance work to bring in extra cash that can go directly into your emergency fund. Tip 3. Windfalls. Got a tax refund, bonus, or cash gift? Put a portion, if not all, into your emergency fund. Maintaining your emergency fund. Once you've reached your emergency fund goal, give yourself a pat on the back. But remember, it's important to maintain your fund and replenish it when you need to use it. Here are some tips for maintaining your emergency fund. Tip 1. Reassess your needs as your life changes, so do your expenses. Regularly review your financial situation and adjust your emergency fund goal accordingly. Tip 2. Keep the habit. Continue to contribute to your emergency fund even after reaching your goal. This helps you maintain the habit of saving and builds an even stronger financial cushion. Tip 3. Use it wisely. Only use your emergency fund for genuine emergencies. Avoid dipping into it for non-essential expenses or impulse purchases. You've made it. You've set up your emergency fund, and you're on your way to financial security. But don't stop there. Keep working on your financial goals, whether that's paying off student loans, saving for a down payment on a house, or investing for your future. And don't forget to celebrate your achievements, big or small. You deserve it. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to setting up an emergency fund. You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to become a financial superhero. Remember, an emergency fund is just one piece of the puzzle in building a secure financial future. Keep learning, stay motivated, and make smart financial decisions. Did you find this video helpful? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more awesome content on personal finance, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss a video. Feel free to leave your questions, thoughts, and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're doing on your emergency fund journey. Until next time, stay financially savvy.